All right, guys. So here's the other trade that I mentioned that we're going to be looking at. It's the same setup. I just want you to look at it before I put all the lipstick on, so you're going to have a very clear idea in your mind as to when you see a trade setting up. It's so easy with all the marketing. It's absolutely ridiculous. I mean, um, one of the things, the pitfalls of trade gets so easy. You know, you find that you don't stick to the rules at times. You can get carried away. Discipline is always required when trading. If you lose the discipline, because things are going so well for you, you're the best, and then COVID-19 comes along, you can be you can learn a very very good lesson. I mean, the market can give you a hiding, but we know how to make the money back. So, but it's just time then, isn't it? It's like now you got to play catch up. It's just time. So stick to the rules and you will do well. Okay, so I'm going to put the lipstick on and we'll see how we did with this trade. All right, hold a second. All right, guys, as you know, we're on lockdown. So if you hear the family screaming in the background, then that's all there is to it. You're going to hear them screaming in the background. We're just keeping it real, okay? So here's the trade. Aussie, we've got the trend line in there, stop loss above. We're entering, now look at this. We're going on our chart right now. We're going to drop down to the 15-minute chart. And look at this trade. There's a trend line. It's broken beautifully. I mean, this is textbook trading here, right? How many of these have I shown you? Textbook trade. It's broken beautifully. Lovely pullback. Your stop loss is up here. This one tried it, didn't he? He tried to get you, but you was up here, you're safe. But I mean, if they tag you, they tag you. That's all there is to it. We just keep on trading because there's just so many of these trades in the market, and the rules are, I mean, if you got tagged out, let's say you did get tagged out, you moved the break even too quickly. If you did get tagged out, then so what? Remember, we enter again down here. Look, enter trade again. See, so right. So anyway, so we enter the trade. We know at the 50% fib, 50% pid would have been here, right? So we had a bit of a drawdown, 35 pips. We came back past 100. We entered a trade. We're on the way to the 618. So from the 100 to the 618, we got 50 pips. From the 50 to the 618, we got 90 pips. Now, if you're going for the 200, then there you have it, 119 pips. However you slice it and dice it, guys, wherever you decided to take profit, you made money, okay? In this particular trade, you got in today, and remember, we're in a trade right now, right? We're in a trade right now. We've entered today, right? Now, the market's like, it's going to pull back up all this way. It's going to do this. Notice that it's not till the following day and the end of the following day that we're hitting our targets. So we've got into a trade today. It doesn't mean we're going to get paid today. We may have to wait and sit this one through, okay? And that's the important thing. It's nothing wrong with trading. The entry is never the issue, okay? We've entered. The target's always the issue. Can you sit through to the target? Can you sit through that? Or are you going to be taking off profit, taking off profit, taking off profit? What are you going to be doing? And that's all down to you. Some people are a little more nervous than the other, but have the setup clear in mind. It works. So you can sit. I would always take off profit at the 150, 1618. Okay. The 200 for me is a runner. Okay. And then I'll take off profit there. And I don't care if it goes further. I'm happy. I know this is a bread and butter trade. There's many more like it in the market. If it runs on, fine. I'll get it when it comes back, like we saw with the cat twist the other day. All right. So another beautiful trade, guys. Thank you for stopping by, having a look, having a review along with me. We'll be putting out many more of these trades. It's textbook. It's in the book, so we're not making it up as we go along. You'll see the same thing over and over and over again. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. See you on the next recording.